Hello everyone, welcome back to Aman and Avatar Styles. Today I'm going to share a very important topic of Ielts speaking part 1. This is noise. The first question is that how is the noise level in your city? The answer is well, I live in a village but it is on the national highway. So the noise level is very high due to road traffic. Irritation and sleep disturbance are primarily adverse impacts on people's health in my hometown. The next one, what type of noise do you come across in your daily life? The answer is well, there are various kinds of noises that I come across on a daily basis. Firstly, the most displeasing sound that interrupts to me a lot is traffic noise. After this construction of a building using loudspeakers in social functions and machinery in factories also distract to me. The third one, what natural sounds do you like the most and why? The answer of this question is that I love all natural sounds or voices. It's true that immersing in the sounds can significantly reduce stress and boost a positive mindset. I get pure relaxation and calmness when I listen to the sounds of nature, such as leaves rustling in the wind, bird chirping in the morning, cooing of babies, and rainfall. Rustling means a soft sound of paper or leaves when they move. Cooing means a person when speak in a soft, gentle, or loving way. The last one, what sounds remind you of your childhood? The answer is well, there are some beautiful sounds that remind my childhood memories. Actually, I have been living in the farmhouse since my childhood. So today I listen chattering of bats and sparrows, recall my childhood. I also never forget the melodious sounds from the ice cream seller in the summer season. Chatting means make a repeated and quick high pitched noises. So all questions are done of this topic. For watching my new videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel.